go.
Come around. There you go.
Bam. Ba-bam. There's suckers in there. Get it to me. There, I cannot get you out of there, buddy.
Get it out?
Well, I'm stuck.
You want the pliers?
I got it. Alrighty. Looky there. One for the A team. We'll see how long it is. I think it's not long enough, I can tell you that, but yeah, she's only like
I'm gonna say 2.5 foot.
I think she's like 22. Nice. That's what we come here for. All right. Heck yeah.
He's like, nope, I'm going.
Heck yeah.
You gotta go the other line, got a boat coming. Now that motherfucker done run way up in the bushes.
Yeah, my bobber's all the way around the corner.
Yep. Sure is. No more snook. What the fuck is shit already out there?
It must have been caught on a rock.